Welcome to my channel. Today discuss about MCQ of valuation of share incorporated accounting. First MCQ, normal rate of return depend on blank. So what is the rate of interest? B. Rate of risk? C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. The answer is option C, A and B. There is a normal rate return is a depend on the rate of interest and risk. Next, while calculate the capital employed blank, that is a calculate all the tangible trade assets should be considerations. There is a required for capital employed calculations. Third, any non-trading income included in the profit should be blank. Eliminated. Answer is option A. Capital employed at the end of the year 4,20,000. Profit on 40,000. Average capital employed is एवरेज कैपिटल एम्प्लॉय नहीं, तो यहाँ पर आपको प्रॉफिट अर्न कितना दिया है 40,000. एवरेज कितना होगा 40,000 के 20,000 एंड कैपिटल एम्प्लॉय 4,20,000 में से आप 20,000 डिडक्ट कर दोगे, यू विल गेट द आंसर 4 lakh. Fifth, rate of interest is 11% and rate of risk is 9%. The total normal rate of return is a flat. So rate of interest that will be 11. That will be 11 plus 9%. You will get the answer is 20%. Next. 6. Capital employed at the beginning of the year 5,20,000 and the profit earned during the year is 60,000. Average capital employed during the year is a blank. So यहाँ पर beginning है capital employed for the starting year there is a beginning of 5,20,000 plus प्रॉफिट ऑफ अर्न 60,000 पर एवरेज कैपिटल एम्प्लॉय के लिए 60,000 डिवाइड टू 50%, इसका तो 30,000. तो 5,20,000 प्लस 13,000 यू विल गेट द आंसर 5,50,000 ऑप्शन डी. तो यहाँ पर वेरी इजी यू सो द 5,20,000 प्लस during the year के 60,000 का 50%. Next, 7. Share are to valued on the A. Merger, B. Sale of shares, C. Gift tax. Answer is D all of the above. 8. Under net asset method, value of the share depend on the net asset available to equity share holder. 9. Net asset value is also known called as, there is a option A. Asset backing value, C. Intrinsic value, C. Liquidation value. The answer is D. A, B and C all of the above. 10. While decide the net asset value is a fixation asset blank so not be considered. 11. Net asset value method is based on assumption that the company is going to liquidate. There is a net asset value method is based on going to liquidation of the company. Yield method, there is a yield value method is depend on none of the above. There is a option A. Paid up equity share capital, future maintainable profit or normal rate of return. D none of the above. 13. FNP for the yield valuation is length. यहाँ पर FMP is the future maintainable profit. Yield valuation is the answer is option A, profit that would be available to equity shareholders. 14. Yield value based on assumption that the company is a going concern. The answer is option B. Fair value of the share is equal to average instruction and yield method. You will find the first average age of instruction method value and yield value method. Third, there is a average, उसका लोगे there is a plus. You will get the fair value of the per share. यहाँ पर देख सकते हो. Value of the partly paid equity share is equal to value of fully paid share calls unpaid shares. 17. Following details are the extracted from the record of a company. 2009% preference share of the rupees 100 each is a 2,50,000 equity share 10 each. 8 per share paid up is a 4 lakh. Expected profit yearly is a 2,80,000. Tax risk is a 40,000. Transfer the general reserve 1% and normal rate of return is a 50%. Find out the yield value per share as is a blank. How can you? यहाँ पर 17 में expected profit है 2,80,000. 2,80,000 की 40% tax rate. 2,80,000 minus tax 40%. It is 7,200. Next 20% transfer the general reserve. 2,80,000 की 20% so 43,600 and minus the preference and interest. 2 lakh की 9% is that 80,000. You will deduct this amount. You will get 69,200. There is a federal employee. There is a required for expected rate of earning. यहाँ पर profit after the tax deduction की earning है 69,200 divide equity share. There is a formula of expected rate of earning. Divide the equity shares. Equity share is the 4 lakh. So 69,200 divide. So profit after the tax deductions divide equity share multiplication 100. So we get the answer 70.33 is the divide there. Per rate of earning is 50%. transfer is a reserve is a 10% preference and dividend is a payable. Normal rate of return NRI is a 9%. The net asset value per share की net asset value क्या होगी? There is a find out. In the question number of 18, the gross asset is a 1,01,000 and liability कितनी है 7,500 माइनस करोगे तो यू विल गेट द 93,500 एंड हमारे पास प्रेफरेंस है इन दिस क्वेश्चन गिवन द 45,000 भी माइनस करो यू विल गेट द 48,500. Formula of the net asset value per share is equal to net asset available for equity shareholder and divide the share capital equity share 4,500. तो 48,500 divide 4,500 you will get the answer option B 10.17. Next 19. Following are the profit of the past 3 years. 39,600, 48,600, 93,600 and find out the average future maintainable profit is. So there is a total of 3 years is 1,70,800 divide 3 you will get the 42,600 option C. Next 20. Quoted shares are those shares which are the listed on the stock exchange. Following is the method of valuation of the share. Answer is option A net asset backing method. This is a method of valuation of share. Net asset value of equity share is derived by the following formula. तो अभी दिस सम हमने ऊपर किया वही फॉर्मूला इज दैट द नेट असेट फॉर इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर डिवाइड नंबर ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर. द आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी 23. To calculate the net asset is a method of fixation asset are excluding. Next 24. When there are the different paid up value of equity share is a national call method. 25. Value share as per the yield method is derived by the answer is option C. Earning ratio of dividend divide NRI normal rate of return multiplication paid up value of equity share. 26. Market value of share is equal to ER and EPS per equity share ratios and earning per share. Earning per share is equal to profit for equity shareholder divided number of equity share. Price earning ratio PER is equal to 100 divided NR normal rate of return. Normal rate of return is equal to dividend per share divided market price per share मल्टीप्लिकेशन 100. अगर आपको हमारा आज का वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इसे लाइक और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर जरूर करना. अगर हमारे चैनल में पहली बार आया तो इसे सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना. थैंक यू.